Let's solve the equation by reasoning step by step. We want to solve for x in the proportion x squared over 25 equals 25 over x squared. First, notice the denominator contains x squared, so x cannot be 0. Step 1. Cross multiply to clear the fraction. We multiply numerator by opposite denominator and denominator by opposite numerator. That gives x squared times x squared equals 25 times 25. Step 2. Simplify each side. When we multiply x squared by x squared, we add exponents. 2 plus 2 equals 4, so x to the fourth. And 25 times 25 equals 625. So we get x to the fourth equals 625. Step 3. Take square roots of both sides to reduce the exponent. The square root of x to the fourth equals the square root of 625. This gives x squared equals 25. We keep the principal square root on the number side because x squared is always non-negative. Step 4. Take square roots again to solve for x. The square root of x squared equals the square root of 25. So x equals plus or minus 5. Let's quickly check both values in the original proportion. 4x equals 5. X squared over 25 equals 1. And 25 over x squared also equals 1. So the equality holds. 4x equals negative 5. X squared is still 25. So both sides are again 1. Both solutions work and neither is 0, so they are valid. Final answer. X equals positive 5 or negative 5. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.